In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a 404 error in Wix. If you've ever encountered a 404 error on your site, it can be quite frustrating not only for you, but also for your visitors. This error typically means that the page you're trying to access is no longer available from the web server, and it can happen for various reasons. Perhaps you've updated some URLs or moved content to a different location. Whatever the cause, addressing this issue is important for maintaining a seamless user experience and ensuring your website remains user-friendly and easy to navigate. Now, fixing a 404 error in Wix is thankfully straightforward. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start at your Wix dashboard. This is the control hub for all things related to your site, and it's where you'll find the tools needed to resolve our 404 dilemmas. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the SEO Tools section. The SEO tools are crucial in enhancing your website's visibility and managing how your content appears online, but they're hidden gems for more technical tweaks like handling errors too. Next up, you will want to select the URL Redirect Manager. This handy tool will become your best friend when it comes to navigating and correcting links on your site. Essentially, URL redirects help your visitors end up in the right place, even if they initially head to an old or generic link. Think of this as a digital map, efficiently guiding users to their desired destination with minimal confusion. Once you're in the URL Redirect Manager, you'll see various functionalities, but our focus is on creating a new redirect. To do this, click on the plus New Redirect button. This is where the magic happens by telling your website where to send visitors who end up at the old or broken link. In the following fields, you'll need to enter both the old and new URL paths. For example, if you had a page at old page and it's now at new page, you'd enter those path names accordingly. It's important to enter these paths accurately to ensure that the redirect works as intended. These paths should exclude the domain name and start directly with the slash. This process of providing a new path ensures visitors who may have bookmarked a page or found your old URL elsewhere can still reach your updated content effortlessly. Finally, all you need to do is click Save. By doing this, the redirect is now active, and you've successfully ensured that users accessing the old URL will be seamlessly guided to the new page. It's as simple as that. By keeping these paths updated, you ensure not only improved user experience, but also help in maintaining the SEO integrity of your website. Your users won't know anything went awry. They'll just smoothly end up in the right spot, as if by design. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps manage your 404 errors efficiently.